Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I will show you guys the best ways to get credits on Brawl Stars. So let's dive right in the video and follow these steps in order to get the credits fast in Brawl Stars. So the best way to get credit fast is Masteries. And if you do not want to grind a lot, try checking if you have any brawler that is bronze 2 or silver 2. Then push them to 3, and with this method you are sure to get credits fast. And the other method to get credits fast is Brawl Pass. This method is not very effective, but it gets the job done. And the most effective way to get token fast is completing quest with your favorite game mode or brawler. Because of how little credits they give you at the end, you should use next step. The third and the slowest way is challenges. Challenges can give credits and it's a lot. Now the other way to get credits fast is Tropy Road, and here I recommend using low trophy brawlers so you can go against bots, or you can use your any favorite brawler. And by following these methods you will be able to get credits fast in Brawl Stars. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.